You can see the African cuisine. This is akara. Call it akara je. That's the Yoruba akara. This is what has become a popular food in Brazil. You can see the Brazilian traditionalists enjoying themselves after a service. After doing the necessary things, you can see them. You see, these are the traditionalists in Brazil.
No, vai,
Olha aí. Tava fora. Onde é arroz ali? Eja. Ok. Ok.